Hello everyone, welcome back to my MS Tutorial Hub, and today we will be practicing a very easy 3D model, and this video is only for absolute beginners, those who have just starting the SolidWorks learning journey. So this practice session is for them. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So first click on file and then click on new and then click on part design, then click on OK. Now I'm changing the background color and make it plain white for the better visibility. Now right click on the main plane and then click on sketch and enter into the 2D sketch. Now choose the center rectangle and click on the origin and drag and place. Right click on it and click on select. Now specify the dimension. Here it is 290 and this is 100. Accept it and then exit from the 2D sketch. Now rotate the 2D sketch and click on features, then click on extruded boss. Click on it and select the sketch. Now choose the option called blind and specify the thickness. It is 30 mm. Accept it. So this much is clear. Now we will look into the front view and we will create this circular object. For that it is 6 mm offsetted from the front face. That means this from this face it is 6 mm offsetted. So for that we have to create a offset plane. For that click on reference, click on plane and then select the front face and then specify the offset distance as 6 and then accept it. Now right click on the newly created plane and click on the 2D sketch. After that, draw a circle randomly. Specify the outer diameter, it is 100 mm. D equal to 100. Accept it. Now, from this edge, the vertical distance is 70. From this edge to this point, the vertical distance is 70. So, specify that. This is 70. Accept it. And from this edge to this center, the horizontal distance is 180. And those who are absolute beginner, if they want to learn about extruded boss option, then I have already created a tutorial video on it. The link will be given in the description, so you might check it. So I think it will be beneficial for your learning journey. Next, what you can do, next come back to the topic. So here select the extruded boss and select this circle and reverse the direction because the thickness in this left hand side. So I have reversed it and then specify the total length is 112. Accept it. Okay. So now it is complete. Now we will move into the next option. Now we have to do the third object. For that, click on convert entity, select these edges and then accept it. Now draw a horizontal line, but don't draw it from the origin because it is little bit of above of the origin. It is 30 mm above from the origin. So we will give this value later on. First we will draw it, the horizontal line and the vertical line. See? like this. Okay, and next from the quadrant draw the another line and join all the lines. Next, trim off the excess line. Okay, now here specify the first we will be specify the this distance. Okay, from this edge to this vertical line distance, it is 60 mm. From here to this line is it 60. Accept it, and from the center line to this is 30. Fine, accept it. Now I will be drawing a horizontal center line. Accept it, and now we should provide the fillet, and the fillet radius is 30 mm. Accept it. With the same center, later on also you can do it. Okay, fine, we will do it later on. So trim off the excess line. Now it is perfectly alright, and my sketch is completely constrained, and accept it and exit it. Now extrude it, and reverse side. This is 25. Accept it. Now what you can do, we have to mirror this object in the left hand side as well. For that we have to create a symmetrical plane in the rectangle. For that click on reference, click on plane and create a offset symmetrical plane. For that first this plane and then second reference is this face. Now see, it is created a mid plane. Accept it. Now what you can do, select first the features to be mirrored. Here these features I have to mirror, so I am selecting these features, then click on mirror and then click on mirror plane and accept it. Clear this much. Now hide this plane. Now you have to select this face and go to sketch. Now click on circle and just don't click, just move your cursor towards the quadrant so that automatically the center will be visible. Do not click, just move your cursor, that's it. And now in the center, this is sharing the same center, so this arc center only I have drawn this circle. Now specify the diameter. The diameter is 25. Accept and accept. Now click on extrude cut, select it and just drag it. It will remove all the material. Same way, select this face and go to sketch. Now use the same method, click on circle, move your cursor towards the quadrant so that the center will be visible. And now specify the extrude cut diameter. Inner diameter of ID. This is ID diameter is 60 and accept exit. Now click on extrude cut. Accept it. Now my easy 3D model is almost ready. Here two more cut is there on the rectangle features. So select this face, go to sketch. Now draw randomly a circle tracking on the origin. Here also and this side also. And specify the relation. Select this circle, press Ctrl, select this circle and specify the relation equal. Now click on smart and then here specify the diameter. If you change one diameter, the another circle diameter will automatically change. So that I have provided the relation first, then I am providing the dimension. Here it is 25 mm. See, both the circle is now 25 mm. Now the distance from this edge to this is 36, and specify the relation, select the center, press Ctrl, select the origin, sorry, and then specify the relation horizontal and accept. Same way here, click the center, press Ctrl, click the origin and specify the relation as horizontal. And here this side, from this side to this is 36. Now my both the extrude cut is constrained, and exit and then only extrude cut. Okay, accept. Clear? This is a very easy 3D model, and this is for the absolute beginner. If you learned anything from this video, then please do like, share and comment below if you have any doubt. And only one thing is remain, that I'll provide some color on it. Click on part and choose a color of your choice. Here I am choosing blue color and then accept it. Okay.